Hey, how's it going today? Taylor Grassmick over here, and I just wanted to make you a quick video going over our pay per lead structure and how we've been helping dentists bring in high value dental leads without taking all the risk. Okay, I'm going to show you how we're taking people that are searching for the services you already provide on Google and turning them to in the door patients and hopefully lifetime patients for you. So keep in mind, this isn't for everyone. This is for serious, dedicated dentists only who want to increase the number of patients they bring in every single month. So if that sounds like you, let's get into this thing. So in this video, we're going to be uncovering how you can get dental patients same day and not have to worry about SEO taking forever. As a business owner myself, I wouldn't want to invest in something for 6 to 10 months and know if it's going to pay off or not, if my investment's even working. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we can shorten that time frame and start bringing you new patients as soon as tomorrow. I'm going to show you how we're targeting high value patients like Invisalign, like TMJ, dental implants, dentures, cosmetic dentistry, high value procedures to help create you a higher return on your investment and get the biggest bang for your buck. I'm going to show you how this channel is a perfect add-on or replacement to any existing AdWords or SEO strategies you may already be doing. Okay, and lastly, how we can do this all without any risk on your end at all. Okay, so let's hop into this thing. So we're going to go over here to Google. We type in dental implants Fort Collins. We see these 4 nice little ads up here. Then we get down here into the map pack and the organic rankings and all this good stuff. And as we're looking at this, the area I want to focus on today is this area right here. Because what this has different than these 2 areas down here is you can be here tomorrow. This is the ad section. So it goes to whoever has the highest quality score is willing to pay the most money. Down here, this is SEO. This takes time to build into these spots. You have to have your websites optimized correctly. You have to have backlinks, citations, all these things pointing at you. But this area, you can get in as soon as today, okay, and start getting in front of people that are looking for your services. If we hop over here to the keyword finder, we see that TMJ, 100 to 1,000, dentist, 100 to 1,000, dentist near me, 100 to 1,000, orthodontist, 100 to 1,000 people, 100 to 1,000 Invisalign. You see how many people are searching for your services every single month in Fort Collins. These are all searches in just Fort Collins. So there's obviously a high number of people searching for you. So how do we get in the spot and start getting in front of these people's eyes? Well, you would think since it's like an auction, it would be to whoever's willing to pay the most money. But actually what Google does, being as customer centric as they are, is they don't only factor in how much you're willing to pay, but they also factor in this thing called the quality score, which is kind of a fancy way of saying user experience. How many people are interacting with your ad? How many people are clicking? How many people are calling? How many people are landing on your landing page? All of these things. And it really plays a very important factor in how much you're getting these leads for, okay? Because in this example right here, advertiser 1's paying $2 a click, advertiser 4 is paying $8 a click, but because advertiser 1 spent so much time working on their quality score and advertiser 4 didn't spend any time working on their quality score, advertiser 1 still took home the top spot on Google even though they're paying 1/4 of the price. And this is very important to understand when doing this, because this is how you can start getting in front of people more often, higher up, and cheaper. Okay, in this example here, we typed in dental implants Fort Collins. If we had some ads that were exactly like that, they rank better. These people right here actually have the best one. But these ones up here it doesn't say anything about dental implants, it doesn't say anything about Fort Collins. So that lets me know that these people are paying more money than this guy down here. And the reason for that is because he took the time to optimize his better, and he's probably getting a higher click-through rate. And according to Google's chief economist, over 60% of Google's quality score is determined by the click-through rate. That's somebody's likelihood to actually click on your ad and follow it through to your website or landing page. Obviously, landing page and ad relevance are important too, but this is where we move in and really take over and dominate the space. Because what most advertisers are doing right now is they have their campaign, they have a couple ads set up, and then they have their keyword with all of the keywords that they want to rank for down here, and it's popping up under a couple ads. And that's why we see when we type in dental implants Fort Collins, 3 of the ads, one, I guess this one's kind of optimized tooth implants, but 2 of the ads don't even really say too much about it. Okay. And that's where we come in, because we do this thing called the one-to-one method. And it's something most advertisers are not taking the time to do. And it leads to more relevant clicks, a higher quality score, and it's going to lower your cost per click and make you rank higher. And what it is it's setting up an ad for each individual search term, okay? Making sure all of these search terms have their own thing for people to click on. That way, when somebody types in dental implants Fort Collins, we pop up for that. They type in TMJ Fort Collins, we pop up for that. They type in best Invisalign dentist near me, we pop up for that and have an ad that reads that exact headline. That way it increases the click-through rate and in turn lowers the quality score and increases the ad rank. Okay? And we really hit all of these long tail keywords. That's the key here, is people are searching for you in so many different ways. They're not just typing in one search phrase. There's so many different ways that they're typing in to find you. So the more we can hit these long tail obscure niche keywords, the better we're going to do and the more leads we're going to pull in for a lower cost. And you don't really have to worry about all this stuff. We take care of the ad copy. We take care of the search term to ad relevance, the geographic relevance, long tail usage, the hundreds and thousands of keywords and their in particular ads for each one, the time of day and day of week bidding. We do all this. We set you up a beautiful landing page and increase the load speed of your website. Make it easy to crawl. Make it perform well across different devices. We handle all of this stuff. None of this stuff is stuff you have to even think or worry about. There's really no risk on your end because we do this thing called the pay per lead model, meaning you're not paying any money unless you get a phone call or a detailed lead form filled out on your website. Okay, and this is not what most advertisers do. What most advertisers do is they take a 20% commission. So if you decide to invest $3,000 a month into your online advertising budget, they're going to take whatever that is, $800 or so of that money and keep that for them. And then they're going to use the rest to get the most leads they can. And it just keeps recurring month after month. And they just keep spending that money and taking their cut and spending that money and taking their cut. What we are doing different is we're only charging you when you're getting an actual lead. We're not taking a fee. We're taking all the responsibility on our end. We pay the initial cost of setting up the AdWords account. We create the landing page. Even bidding on the keywords until you start getting leads. We handle all of this stuff. And we don't believe in long-term contracts. We want to be held accountable month after month for keeping you happy and new patients coming in the door. I know as dentists, you guys aren't guaranteed that people keep coming back to your practice unless you really do a good quality job and keep your customers happy. And that's the same exact philosophy that I believe in. So the only risk to you is if your office doesn't follow up with these leads that we're bringing you. So if you can handle that, this is the thing for you. So lastly, I want to talk about why I work with dentists. Our values just align. You guys are honest and trustworthy people, and customer service always comes before making money, making sure you're doing a quality job with every single person that's willing to pay you money. And that's the exact same thing that I believe in over here, providing honest value to people and making their lives better. I may not be able to increase people's smiles and bring more confidence in the world in that way, but what I can do is help dentists get into the online marketing space and start bringing in more patients. Okay, that's what I specialize in, and that's the value that I'm bringing to the table. So lastly, please, we're searching for a partner in Fort Collins. I actually live down in Loveland, so if you want to meet up in person, I'm always down for that. But our team has worked with dentists, and we know what works. You're only paying for the leads you get. There's no long-term contracts. We're looking to build a long-term partnership, and we can help bring you in 30 to 50 new patients monthly, depending on what your marketing budget is. So the internet is only becoming more and more relevant. How long will you wait? I definitely want to help somebody in person here in the northern Colorado area to help start bringing them leads and start becoming successful online. So this is probably as easy as a chance as you're ever going to get into the internet marketing world. I'm taking all the risk off of you, so it's easier for you to make that leap and have someone learn to trust someone else. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. I hope that this brought some value to you in your life. And yeah, please reach out to me. It's taylor@taylormade.marketing. And yeah, I look forward to talking to you. Hopefully we can get on a discovery call or meet in person and figure out how we can make this process work for you and your practice. Okay, so thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you have a wonderful day. And yeah, looking forward to talking to you.